guys.
Today we are unboxing.
We're unboxing a bunch of stuff from Amazon. I don't even know what's in it. Alright, Desmond, open it up and let's see what we got. Don't use your teeth. Alright, open it up.
Oh, he really helped. Oh, it's a box.
Oh, what is it?
Headphones.
Headphones.
And
Those are
guys,
pretty.
today we're also going to be unboxing the boxes inside the boxes. If they're unboxing anything inside the boxes.
So let's see what's
Sound good,
inside,
guys?
shall we?
It's a costume
Alright, let me see.
I want to get
Let me
Galaxy Smash
open the box and take
Solar
everything
Smash.
out, okay?
Alright, let me get the tape
Hey,
off so
Dad.
you can get it open.
I want to get Solar Smash, Galaxy Smash.
Nolan wants to get a Galaxy Smash, Solar Smash.
I want to get something on Solar Smash.
Yeah.
Galaxy
Nolan,
Smash.
what do you have to say to the
Alright,
YouTube?
Desmond, here,
to the
open it up
viewers.
and show it to him.
All right, guys.
Guys,
Oh
hey,
my, bubble wrap!
Let's go.
you got stressed.
Alright, let's see what's inside of it.
Oh
We
my.
got some headphones with some paperwork, and that looks like that's it. Alright, so let's put all the trash in there, bud. Careful not to-
Glenn is so
Not
scared.
much, okay.
Oh wait, we should have that bubble wrap out because it's
Alright,
fun.
we'll leave that out then. Alright, you ready for the next thing?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do the next thing. Alright.
Second bag. Oh, I feel another box. All right, it's definitely not Lego. It's definitely not Lego. Oh, I see something. Left.
Hey, Dad.
What is it, Desmond?
I
It
want to get a
is
rare mash.
Gaming headset
Another set of headphones.
and a port USB.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Right
That's how.
on.
Can I open this?
Sure.
Leaving tiny Galaxy Smash. Galaxy Smash.
Alright, looks like it's a USB hub.
It's a USB port too.
Alright, hey, put the trash over here and the stuff over there. Don't throw the box away. Put those packages, throw those packages over here so I can throw the packages, the packages. There you go. Alright, next thing, are you ready?
Oh wait, wait.
Oh, you didn't open up the other headphones yet.
Here you go.
Alright.
Trash headphones now.
Yeah.
Oh,
What the what? Check those out.
I think we should keep this as a port for it.
A port for it?
Yeah, so I'm gonna put it over
Okay. Alright.
here. Nothing else.
Alright. This one might be hard to open, so let me get it started for you.
Next box, let me punch
Oh
this
man,
in.
this one's pretty heavy. I don't even know what's in there.
I bet you it's Lego.
Let's find out. Here you go.
Oh my god, it's covered in batteries.
The packaging goes over here, bro. The trash.
Okay. Oh, I think something.
Packaging goes
I think that's Beyblades. Oh, it's Beyblades.
Beyblades.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here
yeah.
we have Power. This is heavy.
I think those are batteries.
These are
Yeah.
definitely batteries.
Batteries?
Whatever this is probably something good.
Oh man, what is it?
Somehow, such how. Oh,
What does it say inside on the thing?
it says, "Do not bear carriage or playpens."
Alright.
And last box in there is another superpower.
Alright.
Let's open these things up.
Alright, let's open those up and see what we got. That's not how you open it.
Alright, I can make out some stuff.
Let me help you get those started.
Alright.
Alright, there's a cable. And
Another USB port.
it looks like it's a battery charger for the rechargeable batteries.
Alright.
On these, this, you want to open them like that.
Oh.
So on that other power out,
Also, don't
Little
forget
one,
this.
this is
See the
so
other power out?
scary.
it opens the same way. And this one here, let me see those boxes and I'll help you get those batteries.
Now let me just.
But let me help you get them started. Just because you're gonna open them the wrong way.
Now I know how to open this.
All right, open that one for us.
So you're gonna square under this. You unbox it like
Hey
this.
Dad,
Alright, got this.
I think
And Dad, make sure to let me do the other
Okay,
box.
I'm just getting this part done for you.
Boom.
Machine World is
Same things.
having a heart.
There you go. Now what's inside this one?
Check out the
Careful, it's gonna fly everywhere. What are they?
batteries.
Rechargeable AA batteries. All right, leave them in the box though, 'cause I wanna use that box again.
Now let's check out the other one.
All right, now what's in the other little box like that?
It's as heavy as it. So it must
So it's
be.
probably the same thing.
Knew it.
Yep. AAA batteries.
Wait, AAA?
Yeah, so we have AA's and AAA's.
Alright, so that's
Are you
different.
gonna open that box?
Oh, yeah.
See what's inside there? Would you like some help getting it started so you don't tear the box up for me?
Sure.
Alright, let me see.
Oh, wait. I think
You
it's
got it?
down.
You got it? It goes here first. You gotta pull this thing out first.
Okay.
And then pull that part up. Alright, there you go.
How do I do this without hitting it? Oh my god!
What is it?
Blankie!
It's a blanket. I wonder who this one's for.
It has
What does it
space,
have
so
on
it
it?
must be Knowles.
Does it have stars and planets? And
Yeah, that must be Knowles.
What the what? Look
Oh,
at that.
so
Oh,
soft.
it's so soft. Look at that, Nolan. Is this your new blanket? Look, Nolan. Nolan, look at your new blanket.
Alright.
Nolan, look at your new blanket. It's got planets and stars and moons
Yeah.
and Saturns, and they all glow in the dark. What?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready for the next box?
Yes!
The final box.
Final
Give it a
box!
good punch.
Final box. Oh! Final story box.
That was hard!
That one's hard.
Oh, I hurt my fist
Story
whenever I
box.
punched it.
Final story box.
Yeah, that's right. What's inside?
Let's see. Lego again.
What? Some Legos.
Yeah. No, I don't even get any.
Those are fishing rods, so Daddy can run some cables later. What's inside here?
Right.
Oh,
Is this
right.
double? Sorry, A.
Those are. Yeah, let me. It's just like the other
Find
ones.
the heart
Battery.
in the
Yeah.
cloud.
I knew it. But this was heavy because there must be
Find
less.
the hearts
Ah!
in the planet.
Oh, I broke it
Find
anyway.
the hearts inside the planet.
Guess who won this time?
Yeah, I broke it this time. And that's the same thing in the other one, but what else do we have in here?
All right, fishing rods.
Fishing rods to help us run some cables later. A wireless card for the laptop upstairs because it's not very good because it's broken. And what's this?
A blanket.
A blanket. I wonder what kind of blanket it is. Don't you?
Yeah, I bet you had stuff for me on it.
What do you think? What do you think you like right now? What do you think it's gonna be?
Oh, I could kind of make out one. I don't like his xenomorph.
You think I get you a xenomorph blanket?
It looks like it. I'm making out it's a xeno.
Let me make sure it's through it. Look at this.
Oh, those toys to the rescue. Oh, wow. Hand it over. Let's check
for Desmond. And I go wash it.
I
I'm
love it.
glad you love it. Well, guys, that's all the boxes.
Hey guys,
Peace out.
if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.
Our calling card say peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Nolan,
But
hold
first
up
of all,
your fingers and
before we say
out.
peace out,
No.
guys,
Okay.
before we say peace out, make sure to like and subscribe if you love this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the bell. Everybody, get ready.
Alright.
Peace
Now,
out.
peace out.